What's up, YouTube? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. Now, as you know, I've been using the Whitestone dome glass for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Just installed it a couple of days ago, and I keep getting questions as to whether the screen is hindered by any cases. So I've done the protective case review. Now let's look at this one. These are all bumper type cases. Now we have from the protective or the super protective to the not so protective. I'm going to try my Samsung phone in all these cases, and I'm going to show you that the fingerprint scanner will still work in these bumper type cases. Let's get them on and check them out. First, we're going to start with one of the least protective. This is the Ring-K Onyx. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide it on. Fits nice, fits like a glove. We just want to test that fingerprint scanner out. It does work. It's a go. So this is not going to be a long, drawn-out video. I just want to answer any of the questions that people may have about these cases. I've gotten questions from a lot of people just wondering, will that Whitestone dome glass help, or will it even work? So I'm going to save that one for last. That's one of my favorites. This is the Ring-K Fusion X. Snap it on. Turn my screen back off. Turn my screen back on. Good to go. It does work. Certified by Average Tech Guy. Whitestone Dome approved. Next, this is the Waterfall Case by Caseology. You see I made it up just a little bit. Put some decals on there. Just gonna drop it in, make sure that it's on good, pop that button, screen comes on. No worries, no fuss. Next one we're gonna be looking at is the Presidio Grip. This one is by Spec. Now this one is a little more protective, a little more rugged than the rest of them. I'm just gonna put that in the bottom first and then pop it on the top. Screen is on. Okay, so this is the first one where I've had to try multiple times. Let's do it once again. Make sure that the phone is all the way in correctly. Seeing good. Make sure my finger is not wet from sweating. There we go. First time. My finger had a little moisture on it. So there we go. Whitestone Dome approved. And last but not least, one of my favorite cases that I have for this phone. This one I use pretty much on a daily basis. This is the UAG Monarch. Let's see how this works. You know, this one fits like a glove. It's a great fit. There we go. Turn it off. Screen on. Boom. Right away. Picks up. No hesitation. No muss. No fuss. Everything looks good. So Whitestone Dome is approved for all of these cases. So a total of 5 cases, all the way from Ring-K to Spec, Caseology, and UAG. I've also done Subcase. I've done Armadillo Tech. I've done Poetic. So all those brands are going to be great for you to purchase the Whitestone Dome for. So you can protect your front with that Whitestone Dome. Even though you have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, you now have a tempered glass screen that you can put on it, and you can protect your back in style with one of these cases from one of those companies. So I hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.